Hi, it's John, and I've just got a quick little bit of insight into something that may be of some help to you. So, today, what I want to very briefly share with you is this particular page here, as you can see. So, what I wanted to do was to see if I could create, I shall move this over here, a title, description, timeline, and this is with ChatGPT using these exact words. Now, I could have put a space in there, but I want to highlight those words to you. You can see from after the word video is in actual fact the link. This is the exact link of a YouTube video that I've put in. Now, it straight away highlights a title for me. It then gives you the description with keywords. It then tells me maybe the bits in the video that may be of some benefit to us as consumers. But the big one is a timeline. It works out immediately that timeline, and that really helps. It also highlights those keywords with the optional text ideas that people might search for. So, folks, if this is something that helps you, I hope it does. If you're not doing it at the moment, please take the time to just use, let me go up there again, right to the top, create a timeline, description, etc. All these bits for that one video. Yep. And then remember to put the link in, and that's what it'll process. So that hopefully might help someone and help you to get a result. Thanks very much indeed for watching this video and stay on the Cloud Workshop. Thank you.